welcome back to my channel Be Obsessed, and I have Neil today with me. So today the video is on a different topic. It's not something that we do on a regular basis. Today, because I have received a lot of requests from you guys to do review about watches that Neil actually uses, so that you guys can have an idea what are the budget friendly sports watches available, and what is the most expensive available. So we have three categories or three kinds of sports watches that Neil will be doing a detailed review right now with us, and all the links of this product, whichever he is showing right now, will be linked in the description box below. So if you guys like this review, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and your love by subscribing to my channel if you're stopping by for the first time, and also hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified whenever we do such videos. So over to you, Neil, and Neil will be taking you through the description.
Hi guys, good evening. Thanks for the opportunity. As you know guys, that I'm a gym freak. So today I'm going to take you through with three watches that I've been using for more than 2 years now. Altogether, all three watches I mean to say. So I'll start with the first watch, which is this one. It's a Omni Rhythm watch. This is the watch. This is your device, and this is the strap.
Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads, beating hearts, falling apart, staying up to forget.
So how do you use this watch is,
What is the price what is the price range for this one?
the price range for this watch is, if you buy it in Amazon, it is going to cost you 2,500 rupees. And if you buy it in Decathlon, you have to pay 3,250 rupees. Okay, so now how do you use this watch? What are the benefits? So you wear the watch, you put a strap here, a belt, and then you fix this. This has got a Bluetooth feature as well. You fix this here, so it's going to be like this. You can put it under your shirt, t-shirts, anywhere. And whatever you do, like any activities that you do, it will track your calories. So this gadget, these two things, this is the main feature, or this is the main device which tracks everything. Right from your playing tennis, cricket, walking, climbing hills, or going trekking, stairs, anything where you do any activities, it will track your calories. Only one disadvantage of this watch is you cannot go for swimming with this device. Though with only wearing this watch you can go for a swimming, but until and unless this is connected to your chest, this watch will not track calories. So
you can still wear this watch, right? And you can go swimming.
Yeah, if I wear this watch without wearing this,
yeah,
then it will just show you time, nothing else. It will not track any of your calories.
Okay.
Because this watch is paired with this device.
So this is the Bluetooth device, guys. Have a close look so you can see that it's mentioned as Bluetooth. So this one has to be attached, or has to be paired with the watch that he has right now, which is this one. Otherwise it will not give you the calories or counts or whatever it is, right?
Correct, yeah.
Okay.
And one advantage of this watch is, even if you don't want to wear this watch, so like me, I don't like to wear the same watch every day. So what I do, since it has got a Bluetooth, I have an Omni Rhythm app, which I can download from like app stores or Google Play, and you just download this watch, pair this device with your phone, and then just wear this as in your strap belt, and just carry the phone, and it will track your calories. So
and you also get a manual with it, which is like this fat. So guys, if you don't understand any questions or anything like that, how to operate or whatever, you can either read this book, this fat book. Otherwise, if you're unable to understand, you can just leave me a comment below so that Neil can do a demo on how to install it and how to do the description and how to get it started. So that can be done. Otherwise, you can follow this fat book and you can read it. It's pretty simple. It looks very fat, but it's simple, isn't it?
yeah, it's very simple. So this is about it. So the main USP of this brand is this one. Without this, it will not do anything. So this is about your Omni Rhythm watch.
And which age group do you recommend this one? Is it for all age groups, or is it a particular age group that you recommend this one to?
See, I would say people who are athlete, I mean, who actually need a precision amount of data for their day-to-day activities, they can wear it. Even kids can wear it. I would not say this would be applicable for age between 40 and above, because once you wear this, you feel like sometimes you feel claustrophobic and you feel there's something stuck in your chest, so you'll not feel that great. So the reason I took it, because this is the first watch that I took in 2017. I was exploring about watches, so I thought that let me try with this first. At least when I go for my tennis or I go for my workout, because treadmill, it's very easy. In your treadmill, it will tell you how much calories you have burned, but when you go for your workout, like pick up weights and all, it will not tell you the calories. So but this watch, if you wear this, it will tell you. So sometimes I used to just wear this, carry my phone, do my workout, listen to my music. So I know most of the people who goes to the gym, they carry a phone and wear a Bluetooth headset. So if you're carrying a phone, just wear this, or just put it on your pocket. Even if you don't want to wear the strap, put it on your pocket, pair it with your phone, and you can do your workout. It will still track your calories. So this is about this watch. The model number is Omni Rhythm 500. So if you could see.
This is the model number. This is the model number, guys. Omni Rhythm 500 is the model number. So if you are searching for this, search for Omni Rhythm 500. And it also says that heart rate motioner. So it mentions here heart rate motioner. I'm not sure if it is visible, but this is how it looks. Okay. So which one is the next one?
Okay, the second one after this watch, after 2 years, I thought this is not, I need something more where I don't have to wear a strap, or I don't want to carry my mobile, because I don't like carrying mobile on my, like when I go for playing or go to gym. So I thought, let me buy this. This is Apple iWatch Series 3 42mm. This is space gray in color. So again, the features, I mean everyone knows, because now everyone uses Apple iWatch. It will track your calories, it will track your activity. You can wear this, go for swimming. This has got a GPS feature. So it has got a GPS feature. So let's say you ride a bike and sometimes you need your navigator for you to help the correct place. This will have this option. So
it has got GPS as well.
Yeah, it has got GPS inbuilt, and one additional feature is that you can take calls from this phone.
And messages.
So whatever your phone does, your watch will do the same.
And also this is for swimming as well. You can go swimming with this one.
You can also butterfly underwater. It will track all your strokes. Okay, now only disadvantage of this watch is, see, this watch if you see the side button, it's black. Now there are two types of watches. One is black and one is which this part would be red in color. So the only difference is if you have a red color watch, then you can leave your phone and you can still attend your calls. But
oh, so you don't need to carry your phone, you don't need to pair it.
No.
Okay.
But if you have this watch, then you have to carry your phone with you.
So it has got two variants, if I'm right.
Correct.
So the one with the red button, you don't need to carry your phone always. You can just wear the watch and you can answer your calls and everything will be done. Whatever is done in the phone. And if you don't have the red button here, and if you have this normal gray button or the space gray button, then you will have to pair it with your phone and you have to carry your phone always. So what happens if you go swimming? You don't carry your phone, right? Then how would you track?
No, if you go for your workout, swimming, any activities that you do, even if you don't carry your phone, this watch will store all the information. The moment you come back to your home, it will auto pair with your phone and then you're going to download the data from the watch. It's just that you will not be able to take calls
and messages in WhatsApp.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, calls, messages and WhatsApp you will not be able to attend if you do not have the phone paired with it. Otherwise, it will store all the data of your workout, of your swimming, it will track everything. Rest, everything is same as good. And what is the price range of this?
This I bought it for 34,000 rupees. And but it's pretty expensive, I'll be very honest, because this will cost you 2,500 and which has got every features, and this is costing you 34,000 rupees. Only thing is that you have to wear a strap or you download a watch, but you download the same watch app in your iPhone as well for this phone. Even if you don't have the phone, this watch will store the data. It will do all your activities tracking, but you cannot take calls. Now depending on your requirements. So this is Omni Rhythm 500. This is Apple iWatch Series 342mm. Now the third watch, which I just bought, I guess 3 months now.
Yeah.
And now the reason I like this watch, this is MI Band 3.
So this is from the brand called MI, and that's Band 3. New OLED screen touch, so you can see that. Yeah, and this is how it looks. This is the looks of this. Yeah.
Now this watch, guys, it has got feature of this watch, it has got features of this watch, including everything. Even if your phone is not with you, you can still know, you will know, though you will not be able to receive calls, but you will get notification if someone has given you missed call.
Oh wow, that's nice. What's the price range of this one?
The price of this watch is only 1,999 rupees.
Oh wow, that's like a steal, guys. So this one is 34, this one is 2,500, it's 34,000, and this one is 1,999 rupees with features from these two watches plus any additional features that you have in this one.
Additional feature is you will get your notifications of your phone or messages. Second is it will tell you how much calories that you are burning in a day, and if you are going excessive, like for example you're supposed to eat 2,000 calories and you have eaten around 2,500 calories, it will beep.
Oh wow,
now,
that's nice.
The best part is if you put data about your eating and everything, depending on your daily activity analysis, it will try refreshing your goals, weekly goals. For example, let's say right now I'm 70 kgs and I'm supposed to...
Are you sure you're 70 kgs?
Yeah, I am. So now I am, let's say my goal is to go down to 65. Now if I think that I want to eat 1600 calories, now let's say for 1 week I am eating 1600 calories but I'm burning more than 700-800 calories. Second week it will automatically tell me that you are burning more calories, you need to eat more. So it will beep. It will give you a smart coaching with watch. And guys, 1900 rupees, or let's say 1999 rupees, let's say 2000 rupees, you get a smart coaching watch. This watch tracks your activity. This watch tracks your treadmill actions. This watch tracks your swimming. This watch tracks every activity. Even if you brush your teeth, if you burn calories, this watch will track it. This precision level activities this watch tracks. And also, even if your phone is not with you, you'll still get a notification.
Wow, that's really nice, guys. So out of this three, I think which one would you recommend for somebody who is starting off gymming or is planning to invest into fitness? Which one would you recommend?
I would recommend go for this watch. It's worth money. Even if it looks like a bracelet. See, if I just wear it like this, it's just a bracelet.
Wristlet.
Sorry, it's a wristlet. So even if you wear it like this, it's very sleek, it's very handy, and it's worth spending. With this watch, even if you want to wear, so for me, I like to wear a new watch every day. I can still wear a watch here over it. Or you can wear it in this hand and wear your watches if you whatever.
So it looks mainly like a band, wristband or something kind of a look. It actually looks like a wristband, and yeah, you can pair it with, like, I'm wearing a watch on this hand, I can still wear it in this hand. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay, so like this. So it's not that you're wearing two watches. This is only tracking your fitness, and this one is your watch that you want to wear for style or anything. So if you are a newcomer or someone who is planning to invest in something which will track your calories or something like that, then as Neil suggests or Neil recommends, this is the one that you should go for because it's economical, first thing, and second thing is that it tracks everything. So first go with this one, we would recommend, and then if you have extra cash with your extra amount, or if you're fascinated towards any other watches, then you can start investing in those watches as well. However, this one, is there a warranty for how long it will work?
Yeah, it has a warranty of 1 year. You can buy additional warranty if you want.
Okay, so it comes with a warranty of 1 year. So 2000 rupees for 1 year. I think if you're using it day and night, it's worth it. Plus, if you want to extend the warranty, you can extend it as well. So you can check the details on their website as well. And so that was all about the review today, guys. None of these brands have sponsored the video. This is everything that we have purchased. Neil has purchased from his own money, and just because you guys keep asking me about questions of how and what type of watches to invest in to track your sports activity, that's the reason I asked him to do this. So you can just choose wisely, and this is a very honest review from Neil. So this was all, and guys, if you want this review to be done in Hindi as well, please do leave me a comment below, so that if you want this to be done in Hindi, Neil can actually do it in Hindi as well for all of you. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, and be obsessed about yourself. So we are signing off. This is Sumana. That's Neil. We are signing off. Bye-bye. Take care.